The imitation process. Children see, children do. Children hear, children repeat. Do you believe me? Let's find out. The imitation hypothesis may be the answer to this. The imitation hypothesis is a process by which children acquire language by observing and imitating parents and peers. The linguist credited for this imitation hypothesis is Noam Chomsky, 1960. He said that humans are born with a language acquisition device. Children can learn any language based on the environment they are in. There are two important characteristics of the imitation hypothesis. Firstly, is the facial imitation. A child will use the eyes to see the parent's face for a funny face expression. The child will then repeat the funny face. Secondly, is behavioral imitation, which is the ability to imitate gestures and body movement to produce language outcomes. So far, we've seen that the imitation hypothesis is talking about copying what is seen and heard. But what about what is written? The hypothesis clearly doesn't speak of grammar. The child will be confused with the connections of spelling words. We will now take a look at morphology and how children acquire the language. Children typically begin to say their first few words between 12 and 20 months of age. They produce systematic morphological modulations of those words within the first year of talking. As children's language become broader, they begin to add the bound morphemes to basic words. One of the first bound morphemes they acquire is the plural marker. In addition, children may go through 3 steps in the acquisition marker. This means children imitate what they hear around them. Step 1. The plural marker. Children imitate what they hear around them. Examples: mouse, mice; child, children; dog, dogs. The second step, overgeneralization. Children learn the rule to form a plural and apply it to all the words. Examples: mouse, mouses; child, childs; children, children's. If you can see the overgeneralization. Step 3, expectations. At the age of 4 and 5, in which they learn that there is an exception to the rule. The end. Thank you for watching. Hope that you have learned something from this video. If you like the video, please click subscribe at the bottom. Thank you very much.